Hi everyone, TechATV here. In this video, I'll gonna show you how to fix this InkBox Full Error or machine error 4600 of this brother DCP-T720DW printer. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is you have to set your printer into maintenance mode. So to set into maintenance mode, just press menu mono and plus button 4 times. Then here it shows machine error 4600. Then step 2, just enter 8 and 0 by pressing the plus button. Set 8 and press OK. And press plus button again. Set 0 and press OK. Then press the mono or color button to find purge count. Then press OK. To reset the current purge count value, just enter 2783. Then now purge count value is successfully reset into 0. Then you can now restart your printer by unplugging and plugging in your power cord. After it's restarted, we have now successfully removed the InkBox Full Error. But if InkBox Full Error appears again, just proceed on step 3. Press menu, mono and plus button 4 times to enter into maintenance mode. Then press plus button and set 8 and press OK. Press plus button again and set 0 and press OK. Then navigate by pressing mono or color button to find flushing. When flushing appears on your screen, press OK. Then to reset the FLSBK value into 0, just type 2783 again. Then after resetting the FLSBK value, press exit button. Then restart your printer by unplugging and plugging in the power cord. Then let's have a test print to check its printout quality. That's how simple it is to fix InkBox Full Error or machine 4600. This brother DCP-T720DW printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.